What up, YouTube? That's 101 coming at you again today, and we are in Frenchburg, Kentucky. We're at the Mountain Memories Festival. I'm gonna put you all on my chest mount, and we're gonna go walk around and see what's going on in small town. Is it really? It goes all the way down to this back street. You wanna go pet it? Or you wanna look at it? You like Bigfoot? Small festival, baby. What? Oh, yeah. How you doing? Doing good, you?
I'm pretty good.
Good.
They're coming back now. Yeah. After all these years, they can open it.
The map pouch. Look at it. Lemonade. They made it fresh squeezed.
Yeah.
Ooh, I bet that's tart.
Yeah.
It's good though.
Oh yeah.
On the bun, cheeseburger deluxe, $5. Something's don't feel right. Feels weird. We accept debit and credit. Italian ice.
I had that shaved ice stuff was elementary school.
We'll go down one side and come back up.
Yeah.
Huh? Go down this side. Oh, I see what you're saying. It's all down the middle.
I've got chocolate fudge there. I've got a Pyrex for chocolate fudge there for $7.
Well, when we walk
Maybe with her leggings or something. That's my old Jackson's baby. Yeah, he's my little one.
Hi, how are you all?
Doing good. At least it's not raining. Yeah. It's forging. Flipside ironworks.
but also they
Candles.
depending how
So
you
it does.
and how bad you were, and then how many times you were frequent flyers.
You know, yeah. You know what this is kind of like just a yard sale.
Books are free,
Really?
yeah. These are books that either people donate to us or the library is taken out of circulation because they haven't been taken out in years.
That's what we do. We live in Montgomery County. We go to the library every
Yeah.
so often. They got all them books out there. I've got a big book collection now.
Well, bookshelf is up for a raffle too.
Oh, okay.
Depending on how big your collection is.
I need more shelves.
I know the feeling.
Yeah, never have too many books. They're donated from the library. And they're going to raffle that off. Free books.
Oh, they're free?
Hello.
I like the town.
He tried to bite me.
He did, didn't he?
He's slick, ain't he?
Yeah, he is. Oh, sorry.
You're right.
Hey, lay down.
Sasquatch. Snake bitten it.
Pretty long road, isn't it?
Yeah. Morning.
I like this little.
Well, yeah, you would.
Wait, Ellie, can we leave this at your screen?
There's that face painting booth.
Where?
Right here.
Oh, okay. Yeah. Okay.
We got the yin yang sign.
Do they? Deep fried pickles.
Oh Lord, Granny love that.
Yes, you would.
She likes them deep fried peppers from one place. I like the lighter cases. They're cute.
Popcorn, $3. I got a little video popcorn machine. Yeah, it ain't much, is it?
Make your own slime. I would love that.
Yes, you would. You take a picture of that.
Yeah. Oh, that's nice. Yeah.
Those are 10.
The who what?
Boogie Boogie tumbler.
Oogie Boogie.
Yeah, that's from Nightmare Before Christmas.
How you doing today?
Doing good, you?
Doing good, thank you.
About like I remember it.
Huh?
About like I remember it. Small. Yep. They got a lot of open spots, though, don't they?
Yeah. Loaded key.
They used to be.
That's a
Look,
pretty cool looking house.
that time I was here, it was elbow to elbow.
I think they just don't do a good job advertising stuff anymore.
Yeah, that may be what it is.
Because I wouldn't know if I, not paid without Facebook.
That's how I found out.
And a lot of older people don't have Facebook.
No?
Or if they do, they don't know how to work it.
Thank you all.
Uh-oh.
Come on, let's go walk.
Good. Bigfoot fish will blow this out of the water.
Yeah.
Got other drinks for those?
Everybody's come down here and said, "Boy, you got a salesman down
You
there."
do. We need to be selling cars or something.
There used to be a sporting goods store. That building right there
Yeah.
had guns and bows and knives.
Cars and stuff now.
Yeah, I see that.
How are you? I'm gonna hug you.
Here's lemonade.
There we go. You need your receipt.
Bet they are too. This food hits different, don't it?
Yeah.
Even the smell of it.
Tell them what you want.
Pretty sure that I survived in Kansas in 2025.
Yeah. That's sort of. Now, the Deer Cheese Festival will be a lot bigger than this.
Yeah. When is it?
Next weekend,
Where?
Winchester. But I saw something that they was running a shuttle, something to do with street work and stuff, parts of parking, and they, I don't know. A lot of people say it's gonna be a mess. Make your own slide.
Thank you. Let's go for these in the car.
Yeah. But it tells me that somebody's got a hobby and they make a little bit of money.
I'll go this way. What y'all doing today? We got many flavors, man.
Good, we're good. That popcorn looked burnt.
Yeah.
Did you notice that?
Spiral taters look good.
Gyro taters.
Blooming onions.
Smells good. Puppy.
Yeah, I got him. Are you seeing it? Yeah, I got him.
Oh, that smells good.
Something does.
That candle's right there.
Is that what it was?
Yeah, it smells really good.
That free
Smells
stuff,
clean.
you want it? Am I on camera?
You are.
Hi. All of it's free. Grab you a bag to pack your stuff in. I will not chase you. I promise I won't.
Take an ink pen though. Never have enough ink pens.
You never do. Enjoy
Yeah.
yourself.
Y'all have a good day. Am I on camera? Yes, you are. I'll have the only footage of Mountain Memory Festivals on YouTube.
Yeah.
And that's okay. Looks like rain, Lieutenant Dan.
Yeah, it does.
Don't stick
I love them little chickens, little gray and red.
Yeah, you got a fascination with
I
him.
think they're so cute.
Did I say $20 each?
I couldn't see it.
Surely not.
I'm gonna see how much they are down here.
That looks like
Yeah, it looks like rain.
That one there's 5.
Hat and fudge.
Hello.
How you doing? I ain't ready to leave yet.
Huh?
I said I ain't ready to leave yet. I wonder where the train goes. We need to find out and take a ride. Don't we?
Probably just around the block. Probably.
Well, we need to ride it. Digging out. Well, there you go. Small town feel, small town festival. It was a good day. It's not very crowded. We got, we was there kind of early, but later today more people show up and it tends to get rather crowdy. But if you like small towns, you'd probably dig that festival. Try to get as much footage as I can. Like I said, small town, not a whole lot there, but I try to show you a sense of what's going on in case you've never been. But anyway, I'm out of here. Thanks for watching, guys. Appreciate it.